Blate Papes. Hey guys, my name's Harrison.
And I'm Hannah, and we're the founders of Blate Papes.
So we're both fitness enthusiasts. So today we're going to tell you how to create your own pre-workout powder.
Some of the benefits of creating your own at home are it's cost effective. You also can leave out any ingredients that you don't want. I don't like to take creatine. I also don't like to have a lot of caffeine. You don't have to worry about any artificial flavors or sweeteners. So yeah, let's do this.
Cool. Let's go.
So first things first, you're gonna need some equipment in order to mix your own pre-workout. You're gonna need a mixer. Anything will really do as long as it mixes everything together. You can use this big old thing, a hand mixer, blender. That's what we're gonna use today. If you don't have any of this equipment, you can honestly just use a bowl and a fork. You're gonna need a food scale. This is gonna come really handy. And then the powders that you choose to use. That's about it.
Okay, so to start making your pre-workout, you have to lay out all the ingredients you're using. Today we are using beta-alanine, citrulline malate, taurine, agmatine, and betaine. You can get them from anywhere. We got them off Amazon. We leave out stimulants and we leave out a creatine. I use creatine, Hannah does not, so before a workout, I'll just put that in one of my Blate Papes as well. Coffee, we both drink, so you don't need stimulants. You want to leave those out anyway because you can just put them in whenever you want. Once you have those laid out, you write them all down, and then next to each one, you write the amount that you want in one serving. So I want 1.5 grams of beta in one serving. I'll write 1.5 next to beta. I want 3 grams of citrulline malate in one serving. I'll write 3 grams of citrulline malate. I'll do the same for the other 3. I'm putting a half gram of taurine in. I'm putting a half gram of agmatine in, and 1.5 grams of betaine. So I write all those down, and then total I want to make 100 servings of this pre-workout I'm making. So I times each one of those numbers we just wrote down by 100. And then you just weigh all those out, each one, and then you put it in a bowl, and we're gonna get ready to mix it. So we're putting 150 grams of beta-alanine in. And we'll just do the same for the other 4 and then pour them all into this bowl. Okay, so now that we have all these powders weighed out, we have 700 grams total. And what we want is an anti-caking agent so that moisture doesn't get into our pre-workout, because you're just using single ingredients, right? So we like to use rice. It's natural. All you gotta do is chop it up. If you've ever seen rice and salt shakers in restaurants, that's because it's keeping the moisture out. It's cheap and it's effective. We're gonna throw the rice, 2% of the total weight. So you have 700 grams, times that by 0.02, and that's the amount of rice you're gonna weigh out, throw in the blender, chop it up a bit. We're using this in our Blate Papes, so chopped up rice isn't gonna hurt us. And we put all the other powders in there, mixed up, and boom. We're gonna do this in the bathroom because we don't wanna wake the kids up, so let's do that. All right guys, well that's basically it. Now you can find a spoon that is the right serving size exactly for 7 grams, or you can just weigh it out like we do. Use a scale. Definitely use a Blate Pape, because that will taste like butt.
Use Blate Pape.
Blate Papes.